Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a base canvas size using the correct resolution in Photoshop 2023. Welcome to this brand new channel, Photoshop Bits, where I'm going to be posting little bits here and there, advanced to intermediate level, and my name's Colin. So welcome to the channel. We first go into new file, and what we need to do, these are settings 1920 by 1080, resolution 72 is sufficient, sufficient quality. RGB color 8-bit, but you can select high if you want to. I think 8-bit is fine. I like to choose the background as white. Color profile sRGB. This one I think is absolutely fine. That's what I've been using anyway for a long time. I've made over 800 thumbnails, and square pixels I think will be fine. Yep, no problem there. So we just go to create, and there we have, my friends, blank canvas. So now you can drag your picture onto it. You can do text. So we'll just write some text. First video, there you go, and the canvas is there. So you press your tick, adjust the size, Command T, make it bigger, and they start working with your thumbnail from there. As the videos go on, I will show you different parts of using different features in Photoshop. I am kind of a pretty good level enough to teach some things now, so thanks for watching, and I hope these videos help you. Subscribe if you want to be notified when there's new videos. There's going to be quite a few tips, very refreshing stuff, so have a great day. Peace.